Welcome back. What's up, guys? Today it is time to say goodbye to Holstein and goodbye to Germany, as I'm going back to Bangkok. I'm Odin alone today, as Nann was denied a visa. Still, make the best out of your day, every day. Before I go, I want to show you the little paradise I was fortunate to stay in. The home that my sister Elraid and her husband Klaus built for their family. I want to specially thank Antje and Mats for letting me stay in their home together with their lovely 4 kids. I really had a wonderful time. You can see them all in the video Dressinenreit. If you have not seen it, there is a link here and in the description below. At the horizon you see the Baltic Sea, or Ostsee as we call it. And this is Högsdorf, the small village my sister and her family call home. To stay in touch, please subscribe and turn on all notifications. To subscribe is free, but you will be able to find us again easy in this huge YouTube jungle. Oh, just let me show you quickly this oak tree lined path. It's unique and so beautiful. What do you think? Please give us your like. Last not least, I want to introduce you to 2 future pilots, Jonas and Lea. Thanks to the genius DJI motion controller, kids can fly DJI drones within minutes, as you can see in this footage. And even a fragile drone like the Mini 3 Pro survived.
So, jetzt kommt noch ein bisschen näher und dann drehst du wieder in Richtung rechts und kannst weiter. Und dann drehst du ein bisschen nach rechts und kannst an den Bäumen entlang da runterfliegen. Ja, genau.
I will end this video with a few pictures of Hamburg's Landungsbrücken, as I was flying back from Hamburg via Amsterdam to Bangkok. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.